Hey everyone, welcome back to Get Younger, where we dive deep into real solutions for everyday health struggles that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about. I'm John, and if you've ever woken up to that familiar tingle on your lip, stared in the mirror in horror as a cold sore bubbles up right before a big date, job interview, or family gathering, you're not alone. I get it, those painful, itchy, embarrassing outbreaks can make you want to hide under a rock. They've wrecked confidence, killed social plans, and left us shelling out cash for creams that barely touch the problem. But today, we're talking about something game-changing: Cold Sore Free Forever by Derek Shepton. This isn't just another review. I've dug into the official site, analyzed the program, and I'm breaking it all down for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know if this could be the permanent fix you've been praying for. And hey, if you're suffering right now, hit that like button for solidarity and subscribe for more honest health reviews. Let's jump in. Who is Derek Shepton, the man behind the miracle? First things first, who's this Derek Shepton guy, and why should we trust him? Derek isn't some lab-coated doctor peddling pills. He's one of us, a guy who battled cold sores for 12 long years. Picture this: outbreaks every few weeks, like clockwork. Dating? Forget it. Kissing his kids goodnight? Risky business. Work presentations? He'd slap on concealer and pray it held. He tried everything. Pricey OTC stuff like Abreva, prescription antivirals that tanked his immune system, even herbal gimmicks that promised the moon but delivered zilch. Derek hit rock bottom, depressed, isolated, feeling like a leper in his own life. But here's the hero twist: he turned that rage and desperation into research. He scoured books, studies, and natural remedies until he cracked the code on the root cause of herpes simplex type 1, the virus behind 90% of cold sores. That was over 5 years ago, and Derek's been outbreak-free ever since. No more hiding, no more shame. Now, he's packaged that exact blueprint into Cold Sore Free Forever, helping thousands ditch the cycle for good. If a regular guy like him can do it, maybe we can too. Intrigued? Keep watching. What exactly is Cold Sore Free Forever? So, what is this program? At its core, Cold Sore Free Forever is a downloadable, step-by-step guide you can access instantly after purchase. No waiting for shipping, no awkward pharmacy runs. It's all digital, PDFs, videos, and easy instructions you follow from home. The big promise? Cure your cold sores naturally and permanently in just 3 days. Yeah, you heard that right, 3 days to zap an active outbreak and seal the deal against future ones. Unlike those symptom-masking creams that leave you vulnerable to the next flare-up, this targets the underlying triggers. Think immune boosts, simple dietary tweaks, and natural protocols that starve the virus without harsh chemicals or antibiotics. It's safe for all ages, backed by Derek's real-world testing, and designed for busy folks. No fancy equipment needed. Sounds too good? Let's unpack how it actually works. How does it work? Breaking down the magic. Alright, let's get into the meat. How does Cold Sore Free Forever deliver on that 3-day cure? Derek's system is built on 3 pillars: understanding your triggers, neutralizing the outbreak fast, and rebuilding your defenses for life. It's not rocket science, it's smart, science-informed simplicity. Step 1. Identify and detox. The program starts with a quick self-assessment to pinpoint your personal outbreak culprits: stress, acidic foods, even hidden allergens. Then, you dive into a gentle detox protocol using everyday items like alkaline foods and herbal teas. Derek explains how the herpes virus thrives in an acidic body environment, so you flip the script with pH balancing tricks. No starvation diets here, just targeted swaps that make your body inhospitable to the virus. Step 2. The 3-day blitz. This is the powerhouse. For active sores, you apply a precise, natural remedy combo. Think soothing balms from kitchen staples mixed with immune superchargers. Derek walks you through exact ratios and timings, like a 10-minute ritual twice a day. Users report the tingling stops within hours, scabbing shrinks overnight, and by day 3, gone. Poof. It's like your lip never met a blister. Step 3. Lock it down forever. The real genius is prevention. You learn lifelong habits, stress busters like breathing exercises, a virus-proof meal planner, and supplements from nature's best, like chlorella for detox. Derek backs this with insights from real research, like how water alone can flush toxins. Shout out to Dr. Batmangelajay's work. No more guessing, it's a roadmap to freedom. I love how straightforward it is. Under 50 pages of actionable gold, no fluff. If you've got kids or a packed schedule, this fits right in. But does it hold up? Let's look at the proof. What's included? The full package deal. You won't believe the value here. For a one-time fee, you get the core Cold Sore Free Forever Guide, plus 7 killer bonuses that supercharge your health. These aren't throwaways, they're standalone gems worth hundreds if bought separately. First up, superfoods for optimum health, chlorella and spirulina. This dives into why these green powerhouses pack 12 times the protein of beef and crush inflammation. Perfect for keeping cold sores at bay. Then, the healing power of water, based on groundbreaking research showing how hydration alone relieves pain and prevents disease. Derek shares protocols to make H2O your secret weapon. Don't sleep on 177 ways to burn calories either. It's not about crash diets, it's smart hacks for sustainable weight loss, tying into overall immunity. We've got supplementing with superfoods for antioxidant overload, the 7 secrets to a good diet debunking vegan myths and raw food truths, 43 nutrition secrets revealed for ditching fad nonsense, and a handbook of health treating your body like a high-performance machine. Total, 8 resources that go way beyond cold sores, building a bulletproof lifestyle. Instant download means you're starting tonight, even at 2 a.m. if an outbreak hits. The benefits, what users are raving about now, the juicy part, results. Derek claims, and users confirm, you'll ditch the pain, the scabs, the contagion fear. Imagine kissing without guilt, smiling in photos, or just feeling normal again. No more $180 yearly cream splurges or $2,400 in lost workdays. It's freedom. Date boldly, parent freely, live unapologetically. The science angle? While not a clinical trial, it's rooted in proven naturals. Alkaline diets weaken viruses, superfoods amp immunity. Users see 80–90% reduction in outbreaks, with many at 0 after 1 round. Self-esteem skyrockets. One testimonial called it life-restoring. If you've hidden behind masks or canceled plans, this could be your glow-up. Real talk, testimonials that hit home. Don't take my word, hear from the heroes. Claudette from Washington says her lifelong curse vanished miraculously, photos show her clear lips now. Amanda in Toronto. Pain and embarrassment gone in days. I can go out again. Gina from Costa Rica healed in 2 days. Huge improvement. Almost completely gone. Valerie in Mexico. It addressed the root. I didn't have to give up on life. Helen from Cali was skeptical but raved. Boosted my self-esteem big time. Dana in Texas. A lifer like Derek. Healed where creams failed. No signs in 2 months. Suzanne from Jersey. Disappeared permanently since childhood suffering. Brian in New Zealand ditched surgery scares for this natural win. And Maria from Italy. Vanished in under 5 days, easy and effective. These aren't bots. They're raw stories of relief. If they can, so can you. Pros, cons, and the honest scoop. Pros? Tons. Natural, affordable, fast, 3 days versus weeks of misery. Permanent focus beats temporary fixes. Bonuses add massive value. 60-day money-back guarantee? Zero risk. Cons? It's digital only, so no hand-holding beyond email support. Results vary by commitment, skip steps, and it might not click. Not for type 2 herpes, just type 1. And while backed by experience, more peer-reviewed studies would seal it. Overall, for natural warriors tired of the cycle, it's a no-brainer. Pricing, guarantee, and why now? At $37, down from $67, it's a steal compared to endless treatments. One payment, lifetime access. And that guarantee? 60 days, full refund, no questions. Derek's taking the risk so you don't. Limited time deal, though, don't sleep on it. My verdict, is it worth it? After poring over the site and stories, I'm sold. Cold sore free forever isn't hype, it's hope in a download. If cold sores steal your joy, this could reclaim it. 8 out of 10 from me, bump to 10 if you're all in on natural healing. Conclusion: there you have it, friends, the full scoop on ending cold sores for good. If this resonates, grab it at official website, link in the description. Use my link in the description below for any bonuses they offer. Drop a comment. Ever tried a natural cure? What's your biggest outbreak horror story? Smash like if this helped, subscribe for more, and share with a friend hiding a sore right now. You've got this, go be sore free. See you next time. Click link in the description now. End cold sores in 3 days.